Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject English.
Good morning students, welcome to 6th standard English class. Today we are going to see Unit 6. The heading of the chapter is Who I Am. Who I Am. Take your English book, take 6th unit. Okay. Here in this lesson speaks about diversity. It tells that everyone has something special in him or her. Everyone is unique in their own way. There are 6 different people whose uniqueness has been shared in this lesson. Okay, everyone is unique. Here, different people have shared their unique experience and feelings. First one, Radha. Here, Radha is sharing her liking and daring acts. Radha relates that her choices thing was to climb trees. Outside her house, there was a mango tree. She loved to climb the tree. Its branches covered a large area which made it easier to climb and sit in the bifurcated part of the tree. Okay, her mother tried to stop her from climbing trees by saying that it was not good for girls. But one noon, she also climbed with her, and two were able to enjoy talking and eating raw mangoes. Radha said that climbing trees made her feel as if she could rule the whole world. Here, favorite means most liked. Most liked or dearest. Climbing means going up. Climbing means going up. Spread out means to open or arrange something over a large area. Comfortably means in a relaxed manner. Sensible means responsible. In the fork means bifurcation. Bifurcation means where branch of a tree splits into two parts. Where branch of a tree splits into two parts. Take next page. Next character name is Nazir. Next character name is Nazir. He says that once he grows up, he would like to be a seed collector. To be a seed collector. As his family had cotton fields, and every year his father had to spend a good amount of money and buying seeds to grow cotton plants. Do you know cotton plants? Yes, he wanted to stop this expenditure. His grandfather told him that in their times they used to get seeds from their own plants. These seeds were used to grow new plants. He wanted to search the ways to preserve seeds as it would help them save money. Spend means to pay for some goods or service. Find out means search. Search. Preserve, protect. Preserve means protect. Next, Rohit. Next, Rohit. Rohit is sharing his passion for traveling. Nazir's aim is want to become a seed collector. Okay. Radha's favorite activity is climbing trees. Radha's favorite activity is climbing trees, and Nazir want to become a seed collector. Next, Rohit. He is sharing his passion for traveling. He wants to and he likes for his passion and traveling. He says that if he had big amount of money, he would like to travel a lot. He wished to visit the mountains of New Zealand because they look good and magazine. He also wanted to raft and the Amazon River in South America. In South America, he wanted to live on the beaches of Lake Shadweep and dive down to see coral. See coral. His wish list also included Konark Temple in Orissa, the old city in Beijing in China, and the pyramids in Egypt. But more than buildings, his wish was to be within nature. Was to be in nature. Next character name is Sarpjit. He felt angry when people showed disbelief in him. When he spoke the truth, people didn't believe him. They thought that he was lying to them. Be it he could not complete his work because Ravi borrowed his book and didn't return it, or he could not score good marks in spite of the fact that he studied, or it was a matter of fight which he did not start, rather, his brother did that. No one was ready to believe him, neither his teachers nor his parents. He tried to control his anger by looking down at his shoes and counting to 10. Here, borrowed means to take something from someone for oneself. To take something from someone for oneself. Next character name is Dolma. Next character name is Dolma. Next character name is Dolma. He wanted to become Prime Minister to serve and make things better for everyone. People laughed at her ambition, but she was sure that she would achieve it. Whenever her classmates were stuck, they asked her for solutions. Her teachers showed trust in her whenever something new was to be done in the school. She said that she wanted to make good hospitals, roads, and schools for the countries. She also wanted that capable scientists should be there so that cures for diseases could be found and spaceships to Mars could be sent. Next character name is Peter. Next character name is Peter. Peter's choices day. Peter's favorite day was second Sunday of the month. Second Sunday of the month, and the day their family used to go out to watch a film. His father would have tickets beforehand and inform them. They all, his parents, grandmother, two brothers, and himself, would take a bus to reach the cinema hall. During break time, his father would buy peanuts for them, which he loved to eat in the darkness of the hall while watching the film. After the film is over, they would stop to eat ice cream. This kept everyone in a good mood, and they took it as fortune that they were a happy family. Advance means beforehand. Interval, gap between two periods of time, break time or break time. Okay. Have you all understood? Listen. Radha shared her likes or daring acts. Nazir Nazir want to become seed collector. Okay. Rohit likes to traveling in different place. Sarpjit full of anger as the people around him often showed him distrust even when he spoke the truth. Peter likes to in every month on second Sunday. Okay, take a rough note and write yourself and what you want to become and your ambition. Okay, in 6 or 7 lines you have to write. Next class we will see the question answer. Thank you, student.